Have you ever heard a word that feels like a secret? Tonight I'll teach you 10 mysterious English words and phrases that carry shadows, riddles, and whispers. Let's begin. Enigmatic. Enigmatic. Mysterious and difficult to understand. The old man's smile was enigmatic, like he knew something no one else did. Cryptic. Cryptic. Secretive, coded, or mysterious. She left a cryptic message on the mirror, written in steam. Eerie. Eerie. Strange in a frightening or unnatural way. There was an eerie silence in the room, like something was watching. Obscura. Obscura. Dark or hidden. The truth remains obscura, buried in shadows. Nocturne. Nocturne. Music or mood of the night. He played a soft nocturne under the moonlight. The plot thickens. Used when things get more mysterious or complicated. They found a new clue. The plot thickens. Skeleton in the closet. A dark secret from the past. He seems perfect, but everyone has a skeleton in their closet. Behind closed doors. In secret. No one knows what they did behind closed doors. Smoke and mirrors. An illusion. His charm was just smoke and mirrors. Cold case. An unsolved mystery. The cold case still haunts the old police station.